Hello beautiful people, it's Monique from It's Monique's World, and I am super excited to share something with you that I absolutely love using with my kindergarten students in my classroom. But before I do that, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the videos that I post for you. At the end of the year, I know so many teachers spend time boggling their minds trying to figure out what types of keepsakes they can send home with their students that they will treasure forever. Something that's actually special and not just going to get thrown away or thrown in a closet. When I discovered Student Treasures 2 years ago, I knew that this was the perfect thing for my students. Student Treasures allows you to get a published book with each one of your students' work in it that they are able to purchase and have for themselves forever and ever and ever. I absolutely love it, and it's completely free to you. Yep, you heard me right, it's free. Somebody said, they're like, Monique, nothing's free. No. It is, it's free. So this is what you do. You go on to Student Treasures, you click that link below, and you pick which kit you want. And then you pick the date that you want to send it in, and then you get to writing, and your students write their book, and everything is sent to you, and everything is great, and then you just package it up and send it back to them. Student Treasures even gives you a packaging label, so you don't even have to worry about that. Then they're going to send you back your very own book. And then your students and their families have the option to purchase as many as they want. They can purchase it for grandma, uncle, auntie, cousin, dog, whoever they want. And it's something that you guys can keep forever and ever. I just want to show you 2 of the books that I've made in the past. One of our books was a unicorn named, and each of my students described themselves, and then they took those descriptions and they made themselves a unicorn. It was real cute. I'll read it to you. Not the whole book, just the page. So we'll use my name for the sake of sparing a student's privacy. A unicorn named Monique. She was stellar. She had blue eyes. She liked to eat crackers. She loved to play dolls. Monique is a rad unicorn, right? So that was my student describing themselves. And think about that, like when they're older in the 5th grade, 6th grade, when they're in college, when they're become parents themselves, if they choose to be, they will be able to read this book and remember how they saw themselves as a 5 or 6-year-old. That's super dope. Another one we did was I'm Kind Like Ellen. My students took influential leaders that we've learned about throughout the school year during Black History Month, Women's History Month, Hispanic Heritage Month. They took their favorite leaders that inspired them the most, and they described themselves like those leaders. I love this one. This might be my favorite. It goes like this. I am kind like Ellen. I am a leader like George Crumb. I am helpful like Bessie Coleman. I am a good dancer like Missy Copeland. I am Monique, and I am brave. Seriously, I love it. So if you are looking for the perfect thing for your students and their families to have that I promise you they will love forever, Student Treasures has just the thing for you. It can't get any easier. Like I said, all you have to do is pick your publishing date, order your free kit, have your students write, send everything back, and then they will send you your class book, and then your parents can choose if they want to order it. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and I promise you guys will love it forever. If you have any questions, leave them below. Click the link below to get your free kit now so that you can start publishing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Love ya. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all my newest videos.